this is Etta with Etta Beauty Hair and Makeup, and today I'm testing out my brand new purchase from Doll 10 Cosmetics. I'm starting this radiant look by using Doll 10's HydraBalm foundation in the shade Light, and I'm going to be blending that with my Doll 10 brush number 4. I really love this concealer. You have to click it a few times. This is the Precision Concealer in shade Light, and I'm going to use my brush number 4 to blend that. I'll be applying this shade under eyes, nose, and center of face. I haven't yet picked up a bronzer from Doll 10, which I definitely will be soon, so I'm grabbing an oldie. This is NYX Matte Bronzer in Deep Tan. Doll 10 has the softest brushes. This is brush number 2, and I'm using this brush with my bronzer to contour my nose. Cheek to Chic Blush and Contour Palette. I'm first using Shady Lady to contour and then Peachy Keen as a blush. Even though the weather here in New York is really crappy with no sun and snow, I wanted to create a dewy finish. I'm totally spring ready. So this is awesome. This is Doll 10's H2 Glow Highlighter Illuminate in Champagne. It's a cream formula. When it's cream, you're gonna get a much more dewy finish. It's more natural looking at the same time, which is why I love it so much. For those of you who follow me and watch my videos, are you totally thrown off that I haven't done my eye makeup yet? Well, now I'm gonna get into brows first. This is Brow Light's Multidimensional Brow Fix Brunette, and I'm using brush number 6 to fill them in. This is one of my favorite brow products. It is a pomade gel formula. You can really create a nice arch in your brows to give you that awesome look. I'm really doing things different in this video. Instead of using your traditional powder shadow, I wanted to go with a cream formula instead. This is HydraLux Shadow Liner Trio. It comes in 3 awesome shades, and the first shade I'm using is Exposed. Now using the shade Tempted, I'm gonna use that as my lid color. I'm gonna bring that under the eye as well. The shade Lethal is what's gonna really create dimension in here, and that's my darkest shade, and I'm gonna apply that under the crease and also underneath the eye as well. I'm applying the shade Noir as a top liner from outer to inner corner, and I'm gonna apply that on the bottom as well. And to blend it, I'm going to use my brush number 10, just softly going back and forth and bringing it a little upwards, making it a little bit darker there. Couple pumps using the best eyelash curler there is. This is Tweezer Man. And now on to mascara, EffortLash by Doll 10. And I didn't do fake eyelashes today because I really wanted you to see a much softer look. And so for that reason, I'm just keeping my lashes as natural as possible. And now we're wrapping up this look by doing lips. I'm so happy I ordered the Lip Velvet Fashion Collection. There's so many beautiful shades to choose from. I really didn't know which way to go, but I figured since everything is soft today, let's keep it with a nude. And I'm using So Shy, and this is a very velvety, creamy texture. It hydrates the lips, and it really stays on all day. I actually love the color so much that I didn't even need to put a gloss on it, but I wanted to test out my colors. I'm using Girl Code, a nude gloss over it, and that's just going to hydrate my lips even more so. And my loves, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hop on to Doll 10's website so that you can see all their new goodies. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Etta Beauty Hair and Makeup. I'll see you guys next time.